This is the meter wrap. I use this to teach metrics to my middle school students. This was a concept created by a colleague of mine, Deanne Deason. I start the meter wrap by introducing them to the stair step, and I just go through the wrap and I tell the kids millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. I repeat this several times with my students and we say it together as a group. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. Then we walk through this several times, and I'll tell the kids we're going to do this slowly, and I ask them if they're ready, and we begin. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. Ask them if they can take it faster. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. And then for fun, I always ask them, you think you can do it faster? And they always, and we do this several times. I go back and forth, and then we do it fast. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. Once they've got this firm in their mind, I go to the next step. And I introduce them to a character. And I tell them that this is my friend Mo. And my friend Mo lives in Meter World. And Mo, he's like most people. He's a pet guy. And he has a special pet. And his name's pet is Pet Decimal. And they are good buds. Everywhere that Mo goes, Mo's Pet Decimal goes. So, if Mo goes to Millimeter Land to visit his girlfriend, Pet Decimal is going to go with him. Sometimes, though, he has to hide from people. For example, sometimes he hides from his mother when she wants him to clean the room. And so, Mo might go and hide. See if I can get, oh, I pushed the wrong button. Let's see here. Let's get Mo. Okay, Mo went to see his girlfriend. Okay, and then Mo's going to go hide from his mom. But notice that even when Mo went to hide, Pet Decimal went with him. I get this in their mind to help them understand that as they move up and down the stairwell, that the decimal is going to move up and down. So that when we begin to apply this to numbers, that we count the stair steps. So if Mo starts, and we talk about that Mo can start anywhere. That if Mo starts in decameter land and he goes to centimeter land, we count the steps that it would take for Mo to travel. So we would go 1, 2, 3 steps. And that if Mo went 3 steps, Pet Decimal goes 3 steps. And when Pet Decimal goes down the steps, he's moving to the right. When he goes up the steps, he's moving to the left. And this applies to the numbers again, that when we start moving the decimal in the numbers, that if you're going from hectometer, decameter, if you're going down, you're moving to the right. So, again, I re-put this, and we'll do this for several days, and every day they have a lot of fun going through that wrap, which again is millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer, 2. For my advanced students, I explain to them that this applies whether it's meters, or if we're doing grams for mass, or if we're doing liters for volume. And they really get this concept of the going up and down the steps. And I encourage them. I have some worksheets that I've made that have the stair steps on them until they get handy with it. And then I encourage them later on that they can draw this anywhere, because if they have that rap firmly in their mind, they can always draw these stair steps. And that's how I go about teaching the meter rap. Thanks.